So this is me checking out from Bali until another day. We shall see Bali again. No more shopping. Done enough. Just got to go home now. Get home safe. Well, that's the plan. To be safe and get home safe. Don't look at shopping anymore. Spend all your money. There's no way you can buy anything else. Maybe food? No, I'm not hungry. Ajifi already fed me with lots and lots and lots of wisdom. Yes,